Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix the download failed on WhatsApp. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, you might get a message that kind of looks like, I think I removed it. The download failed on WhatsApp. So you might get a message that looks like this. The download failed and was unable to complete. Please try again later. So there are a few different reasons why we might get this message, and we'll walk through all of those steps now. The first thing to do is to check your internet connection, to make sure you have a good internet connection to be able to download those files on WhatsApp. So let's open up Safari or Chrome, and let's just type in speed test here and run a quick speed test. If it's faster than 5 or 10 megabytes per second, that's plenty fast enough for you to be able to download those files, and it shouldn't be saying that download failed. So go through these steps. If it's faster than 5-10 megabytes per second, you're good. If it's slow, you can swipe down from the top right and you can always toggle Wi-Fi off and use your cellular data, switch to cellular data. Potentially that's faster than the Wi-Fi connection that you currently have. So the next step that we'll want to do is make sure our date and time are set to automatic. So let's go into settings here, scroll down until we get to general, and then date and time you can see towards the bottom there. So you'll want to make sure the date and time are set to the current date and time, because if it's, say, a week in the past or a week in the future, that'll mess up WhatsApp and it'll cause it to not be able to download those messages or download those files. So you can always toggle this so that it's set to automatic, so you don't have to worry about setting the specific date and time. It'll automatically set it. So make sure the date and time is set to automatic here. The next thing that we can do is, if you go through these different steps, is scroll back out of here and then go to cellular. You can see cellular right here. And what you want to do is make sure cellular data is toggled on. And then you scroll down, and this is what limits whether you can use cellular data on various apps. So scroll all the way down and you find WhatsApp. Make sure that's toggled on, because if it's toggled off and you're on cell data, then it won't let WhatsApp download any files or use any files. Now the last step that you can do is we'll scroll down until we get to general, and then we'll go to iPhone storage. And once this loads up, we'll scroll down until we find WhatsApp on this list. There it is. And we'll want to offload the WhatsApp app and then reinstall that WhatsApp app. And what this does is it resets the kind of core system files of the app, and you kind of, if there's some bugs in it, you kind of reset all of those files. And you can go through that process and it should be working to download any files at that point. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.